Okay, let's get into our first lip. You all can let me know in the down bar in your comment section which ones you think look really good on me. So my skin tone is probably like an NC50, or it is an NC50 with MAC Cosmetics. If you know MAC Cosmetics, that's why I like to do the range with. Fenty, I do 410 because that's on the map like MAC was. Let's just start with one called Spice It Up. This is a MAC Cosmetic lipstick.
I decided to put mahogany lip liner with it because it has a reddy brown undertone, just like Spice It Up. Spice It Up is a really pretty brownie red, but not too red, not too brown, just a nice everyday color. Spice It Up is a luster, so you're going to get a nice thin little gloss, but not too much strong color.
Ruby Woo, this is the next one.
Ruby Woo is a very nice red. It really looks good on very light girls. It is the perfect matte shade. So beautiful. Absolutely love this. This is probably my 10th lipstick in Ruby Woo. Love it.
One of my favorites from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Dead Roses. I get so many compliments on this one.
I would definitely describe Dead Roses like a nice everyday brownie with an undertone of like a little bit of a burgundy rose like color. It definitely is matte, and I absolutely love this color. It's beautiful for everyday. Goes with any type of eye makeup.
Dusty Mauve. This actually is one of my favorites, and I get 100,000 compliments a day on this one. Dusty Mauve from Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Dusty Mauve is definitely a matte. It definitely has like an undertone of like a lilac kind of purple look. Beautiful color. You're gonna get 1,000 compliments with this. It goes with any shade.
Next one is Antique Velvet. You could put chestnut lip liner with this, but I'm not gonna put a liner with this one.
Antique Velvet. This is a matte. The feeling of it is very different from Ruby Woo matte, because I think one is maybe a retro matte, one is a matte. This is a very smooth, very nice brown lipstick. You will love it.
Next one is called O. Literally O. MAC Cosmetics.
Lipstick is definitely an oldie but goodie. It's a beautiful purplish red with golden pearl. It is a frost, so you're just going to get a nice flare with this lipstick. You'll love O.
This lip I really don't like that much. I never really wear it, and it makes me look DEAD. It's called Stone from MAC Cosmetics. And I look stone cold dead with it. Lighter skinned girls I think can pull this off.
I have a love-hate relationship with this. A lot of times if I wear this, I mix it with a very light color like Velvet Teddy or something like that. It is a very muted grayish taupe brown, and yeah, don't love it, but I love it when I mix it with lighter colors.
Next one is Latte. Anastasia Beverly Hills Latte.
Now Latte, they describe it as a muted burnt orange. It is definitely a nude. It definitely does not show any orange to me on my skin tone, but maybe on a lighter skin tone. But it is a very pretty everyday color.
This one, Latte, I could probably put a chestnut lip liner with. Next one is Chili, MAC Cosmetics.
Absolutely love this burnt red orange. Beautiful color, matte. What more can I say? So pretty.
Next one is Cyber, MAC Cosmetics.
Cyber is a deep purple matte color, very intense. And then just stay tuned, guys. I'm going to give you some more choices where you can buy it a lot cheaper.
Next one is Photo, MAC Cosmetics, Photo.
Photo is a nice mocha peachy yellow brown. It's really nice. It is a satin, so it's very soft and with a little bit of sheen.
Next one is Vamp It Up from NYX. Vamp It Up. Sorry, Wet n Wild.
Oh, this is one of the ones that I said is a lot like Cyber. It's a little bit darker. This is Vamp It Up, and I really like it. It's a nice matte, and it's very comparable to Cyber.
Next is some liquid lipsticks. This one is from MAC Cosmetics. This one is called Espresso. Espresso.
Now these are the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color lipsticks from MAC Cosmetics. Not sure if they still sell this one. I don't think that they do, because I am looking online and they don't. But if you can get your hands on it, maybe Googling, this is a really nice one to have. But they have a lot of other assortment of colors.
Next one is Avenue.
I love the ColourPop lipsticks. They are so awesome. They glide on so smooth. They don't get all cakey on your lips. Really, really nice color. This is going to give you kind of a red option, and it doesn't dry the lips too much, so you'll really like this.
Prim from ColourPop.
This one is going to give you more of that brownie red. Not too dark, just a nice deep color. Very nice for a lot of different eyeshadow shades.
Ooh, my lips is dry as all get out. Limbo ColourPop.
Limbo is a nice option for you if you don't want to spend the money on Antiqued from MAC. As you can see, this is a nice brown color. Very pretty.
Here's something, I don't know if MAC still sells this, but this is a lip erase. So you can use this to kind of erase all of what you're doing on your lips. I'll check it out for you, see if they still sell it, and I'll have it across the screen that yes they do, or no they don't. But this is the lip erase from MAC Cosmetics. Next one is the NYX Transylvania, but this is a nice one, and also looks like Cyber from MAC.
This is another option for Cyber. It's going to give you a deeper tone, not so much purple in it, but there is kind of like a purple like look, so really pretty.
And the last one but not least, this is Envy NYX. It's a blue, so it's a dark color, something that'll probably match underneath my eye. I love to wear colored liner.
And Envy, as you can see, is just something fun. So pretty. Don't really wear this out much, but I do it for photos, so yes, I love this color.